Read time, under 4 minutes Sundays with Shinky. 10x your productivity with AI Google I/O 2025 streams live on May 20th at 1 p.m. ET, promising major announcements across Android, AI, and XR. Expect previews of Android 16, big leaps in Gemini AI, and next-gen immersive tech. But the action starts early May 13th brings the Android Show I/O Edition, offering a sneak peek into what's next for mobile. P.S. The Sunday Special is your weekly window into the most groundbreaking discoveries in robotic and tech, beyond the world of AI. Stay tuned for our regular AI and tech briefings, returning on Monday. Advancements in robotics. Hugging Face just dropped a $100 robotic arm, and it's a game changer. What if building with robotics didn't require a lab, a degree, or a four-figure budget? Hugging Face is turning that what if into reality with the launch of the SO101, a fully programmable 3D printed robotic arm priced at just $100. Built in collaboration with the Robot Studio, the SO101 isn't a gimmick. It's modular, open source, and comes with AI training capabilities that sync with Hugging Face's powerful ecosystem. With smoother motor control, precision movement, and support for computer vision and automation tasks, this arm is designed for real-world tinkering, whether you're in a classroom, coding bootcamp, or just hacking away in your garage. But more importantly, it signals a mindset shift. Robotics isn't just for labs anymore. Why it matters? It lowers the barrier to entry, think Arduino, but for robotics brings hands-on AI learning to students, creators, and indie devs. Advances the mission of accessible, ethical AI for all. This isn't just a product, it's an invitation to build, to experiment, to learn. And at $100, it might just be the spark that launches 1,000 future roboticists. 2. Autonomy. Helm AI, a California-based startup, has introduced cutting-edge AI-driven self-driving technology, aiming to revolutionize autonomous transportation. By leveraging advanced machine learning algorithms, this innovation promises to enhance safety and efficiency on the roads. 3. Transformers. Researchers have developed micro-robots powered by thin-film actuators, capable of morphing and locking into various shapes. These untethered robots can transition between rolling and flying modes, opening new possibilities in search and rescue missions and biomedical applications. 4. Rideable. Kawasaki has introduced Corleo, a hydrogen-powered robotic horse designed for all-terrain travel. Equipped with AI for balance and navigation and rubber hooves for adaptability, Corleo responds to rider movements in real time. While still a concept, it showcases a fusion of traditional riding and futuristic technology. Use AI as your personal assistant, ready to save precious time and let AI do the heavy lifting. Save time and simplify your unique workflow with HubSpot's highly anticipated AI Playbook, your guide to smarter processes and effortless productivity. Download the free guide today. Gadgets. 1. Modularity. Nothing's CMF. Phone 2 Pro brings modularity to smartphones, featuring a 120Hz OLED display and a suite of attachable accessories like camera lenses and kickstands. While offering enhanced customization, the requirement of a base cover for most modules raises questions about flexibility. 2. Powerhouse Asus has launched its latest ROG series gaming laptops, including the Strix Scar, Zephyrus, and Flow lines. Equipped with Intel Core Ultra 9 and AMD Ryzen AI Max processors, these machines promise top-tier performance for gamers and creators. 3. Coolify. Introducing Coolify Pro, a wearable air conditioner designed to keep you cool anytime, anywhere. With advanced thermoelectric cooling and up to 30 hours of battery life, this device offers a personal breeze on demand. Sunday School. Curious to see what this AI spreadsheet can do? Prompt of the week. Want AI to generate cover letters for you? Then click here. If you find the contents of this email useful, subscribe now and share with your friends. Your opinion matters. Got more feedback or just want to get in touch? Reply to this email and we'll get back to you. Thanks for reading. Until tomorrow, Shinky and the Hanuman AI team.